First off, what up, peeps? That's right, K&R coming at you. The first barbecue day of the season after the subarctic craziness. I wouldn't want to do that again. But here's something really, look at this. Look at that view that we got tonight. Tell me that's not. Come out here a little bit further. Get some of the vehicles out of the way. There we go. How about that? Really can't beat that view, huh? So anyways, tonight, we're gonna bring the first griddle meal of the season, which we are doing specialty tacos with carnesada shredded beef. The wife has requested onion pepper mix, special seasonings, and we're just gonna rock it. Y'all want to stick around for this? I promise you, it's gonna be delish.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I mean.
So you know, we got the blue Rhino. I can't even see it. The blue Rhino razor griddle. What we have to resort to right now until our new ace smoke arrives, which we're hoping that arrives before we leave for Texas. No promises, but we're hoping. Got that griddle nice and hot. Nice and hot. We're gonna throw a little bit of oil on there. A little bit of oil on there. Alrighty. We got the oils on there. Got the oils on there. Boom, baby. So tonight, Mike's hard strawberry. Take a gander at what we got going on here. How's everything coming up? Oh yeah. Now, we're gonna go ahead and get that all mixed up. Oh yeah, you hear that skizzle, skizzle? Skizzle, skizzle! It's gonna be amazing. Oh yeah, look at that. I think that's ready to come off there. We're gonna get this tacoed up. Stick around for the delish. Oh, we're gonna start with a couple of carb smart tortillas that I'm gonna heat up a little bit. Oh, got a little bit of sour cream on there because you can't go wrong with sour cream.
Gotcha.
A little bit of the meat and onions put on there, and peppers. So, chef's choice, you can put lettuce and tomatoes on there. But with us, we're just gonna throw some cheese on here. So we got a little bit of shredded cheese on here for the wife. And we are gonna see how things are.
I'm sure I look like a mess today, but you know what? It is what it is.
She's been working hard, so I came home, made her some dinner.
It is what it is when this clock stops.
Now what we did was we threw some Mexican Fiesta blend in there. We got the cheese, we got the green peppers, the red peppers, the onions, and the carnesada shredded up beef. Is that money? Money, 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 money! Alright peeps. Now with mine, I like to use the queso fresco cheese on mine. I just like that flavor a little bit better. Ryan's not a fan, but to each his own, man. To each his own. But that's pretty much it, man. We appreciate you guys watching. This is a short little video clip of some carne asada tacos that we made, or wraps, whichever you want to do. You can turn those into quesadillas. There's so many different ways you can go with this. And again, you could add some lettuce and tomato to it, some sauce to it. There's so many options you can go with. I think that's what we love most about, you know, doing these things, is so many different ways so many different chefs can do it so many different ways.
Words are hard.
Words are hard today. Anyways, we love you guys. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. And if you like this and you want to see more, like, subscribe, ring that belly thingy, comment down below. And if you got an idea for something, we could definitely try to put it together for you. We're always open to different ideas and different comments. Love you guys. Deuces.